Hey, Katherine, would you like to join me for lunch? I noticed you were looking around for a seat.
Oh, thank you. That would be nice. I wasn't sure where people usually sit.
It depends. Some teams sit together, but it's really open. Sit wherever you like.
That's good to know. So, how long have you been with the company, David?
Almost 5 years now. I joined as a junior analyst, and now I'm a finance manager.
That's impressive. It must have been a good place to grow your career.
Yes, it's been challenging, but I've learned a lot. What about you? How long have you been in marketing?
About 6 years. I started right after university. At first, I focused on social media campaigns, but gradually I moved into content strategy, helping companies build a consistent voice.
That sounds valuable. These days, good content makes such a difference.
Absolutely. Customers expect more than advertisements. They want stories, emotions, something they can connect with.
I agree. Even in finance, we realize that numbers alone don't convince people. You need to tell a story around the numbers.